Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. So today we're gonna unbox and I'm gonna show you guys how to use this brand new transparent. This is from Ahopegarden, 12 pots, intelligent planter. Grow fresh food all year long. Whether if it's winter time in your area, or whether you don't have a backyard or a front yard and you still want to grow some veggies right in your home, this is a transparent, meaning you could see right through. You could see the progress of the roots growing as the plants growing. This here, it's amazing for family, especially if you want to teach the kids and show the kids all about growing your own food. Now, for a limited time, check in the description box below. I'm gonna leave an exclusive big discount code in the description box so you could get this beautiful smart garden. I'm gonna unbox and show you how easy it is to set this up. Really simple. An option right here, you could set the timer for 16 hours or 8 hours, and then you could adjust the height as the plant is growing. So that's pretty cool. And let's open this bad boy up quick. So right here we have the instruction. You could always make sure to read properly and don't make any mistake, or you could just watch Green Tea Garden video right now. And we're gonna check it out. This is the beautiful, you can see all the protection of this box come inside. Very nice. So you could see how beautiful it's black and it's transparent. You can see right through. It tells you the level, and look at the beautiful bow tie. It's a limited edition, and we're gonna pop this up. All right, so I lift it up right here. You can see it's pretty high. It's about, I think it's about 16-inch. I gotta double check that, and I'll leave it in the description box. And right here you could see 12 pods, and this thing have every single thing inside. So we're gonna take that out, and I'm gonna show you exactly all the stuff that came with it. Literally, this is a complete guide right here. I think the only thing it might missing is the seeds for the plants. So the only thing you have to get is the seeds. All right, so these are all the stuff that comes with it. Right here we have the plant food. This is liquid fertilizer A and B, just like every single garden system has an A and B. You fill this up all the way up with water, and you want to make sure you mix this, shake it up and mix it really well. What to do, this cap right here, it tells you right here, you fill it up all the way to the top with one of them, and you'll pour it in. I'll show you guys. Okay, so these are the baskets, made really well. They're actually good material here. And that's going to go right here. And this is what hold the plants and hold the seed so as it grow. And in the basket, then we have, it comes with 12 sponge. What do? You put it right here. And you put the seed inside. And as the water filled up, they soak the sponge, keeping it moist. And that's going to help the seed to germinate. And now here we have is the cover. So say an example, you don't want to use some of them, you just put that cover right there, and it looks, looks more beautiful that way. We have is the beautiful name tags right here, and it's not just a name tag. If you pop that in right there, it could help separate the plants from not falling into. And it also looks beautiful. That's really nice. And these are the labels that you could put around here and label your plants. You see the name of the plants and the dates. Beautiful. We have a little tweezer, if you want to pull out a seedling or something like that. And this here we have, these are the dome. After you plant your seed, you could just cover them like that, keep it the temperature high and better in there. It'll grow faster. Comes with a plug, and we have a manual right here, always run through, tells you everything right now. And we're gonna fill the water up. The max is 4.0 liter, so we're gonna fill it all the way up right now. All right, so I filled the water up to the max, and right here I fill this up all the way to the top, and I shake it really well. And what I did, take out the cap and literally fill the cap up with A, and we're gonna do the same thing with B, A and B. Dump it in there, and same thing we're gonna do. So with adding the A and B plant fertilizer, this is how our plant is gonna get the nutrition and give us a healthy growing production. When you grow in soil, you get your stuff from your fertilizer that you add in, compost or soil. So growing in the water, you get your nutrition from the liquid fertilizer, and this company does provide the liquid fertilizer, and this will last you for your growth for a while. Actually, I just literally plug it in, and you could see the pump already mixing the water. So by the water circulating, it's mixing the fertilizer and keeping the whole thing, healthy and cleansing. The water's not gonna stink. Look at that beautiful light up there. So beautiful. So I got it right here in the corner, my window spot. You could put it wherever. You don't need window light because that has its own light. So the next step, we're gonna put all the sponge in here. Make sure to get plants that actually will fit here. Do not get big plants, all right? Get plant like pak choi, spinach, lettuce. If you're gonna get like tomatoes or peppers, you gotta make sure you get dwarf ones, like smaller ones that to fit here. All right, so we're gonna be putting all these guys right here. You do not need to take them out. The root will just grow right through of these sponge, and it kind of help keep the plant in place. And you can see how the water is getting to the water is gonna get through it and soak it up, and that's gonna help grow our plant. Don't worry if it's popping up or pushing down. Eventually, as the plant grow, it'll be fine. And I gotta go get some seeds, and I'm gonna show you and tell you exactly what seed I'm planting. And my daughter's gonna help me plant this seed because this is how easy this thing is. All right, so I got a bunch of seeds here from spinach, kale. This is the garden blend. Highly recommend. Lola Rosa lettuce, one of my favorite beautiful tasty lettuce. Check the link in the description box. This is a company called Survival Garden Seeds. I'm gonna leave in a discount code for you guys there. We got basil, so you could do herbs, you could do a lot of stuff. Lettuce, and I got pak choi, so you could do like, you know, tomatoes, peppers. I do have a pepper plant which I'm gonna try to see if I could get away with it and prune it for the top just in case it get long to grow too big. But I have to get some indoor hydroponic growing, you know, plant seeds that could grow smaller plants. I have to get more. But if you have extra stuff like me, like, you know, like right here, it's an example. The Swiss chard will grow big, but you could always harvest early. This one right here too, when you're ready to add water, right there, you could add your water. And the good thing about it, you just look right here and it tells you exactly what level your water is. So this is pretty cool. So now we're gonna add, you could add 1 to 2 seed to this way. Make sure if one seed doesn't germinate, the other one germinate. And if you want to keep one plant, that's up to you. You could do 2, but that's going to take over a lot. And you could always remove one of the seedling as they're growing. All right, so you could use a finger, use a tweezer, and pick up the seeds if they're small. And we're going to start from the back here. You want to just drop it in the hole right there. You guys could label your stuff. I don't have to label. I know my plants as they're growing, but it's good to label your plants so you know exactly what you planted. All right, so all my seeds are in there, and what you could do, get a little spray bottle and just spray lightly in the top like that. That's gonna help it. The sponge will eventually get wet from the bottom coming up, but what I like to do, a little trick, it's not a little trick, you just literally have to do it. It helps from the top germinate faster. Once you wet the seed, you wedge the sponge a little bit and activate the growing process. It's so easy. This thing, it's really easy. Now you could use these guys as a label, but I'm gonna be putting these cover one right now so the plant will be growing right through. All right, so I did put some of the covers over it. I'm not the best, but looks amazing. And what I like to do, I like to take the dome covers, I cover them like that, and you can see I drop this lower so we get good light right there. And I'm gonna put the dome cover all of them, so this way this seed will germinate faster. And I'm gonna do update videos to show you guys how this thing will grow fast, how it's, you know, growing process, looking process, and until I'm ready to even harvest. I'm gonna have my daughter come and help me doing some harvest. All right, so you could see how small it is, how amazing. You could literally see all the pods at the bottom. And yeah, that's my daughter right there. That's Grace. She's here as my big helper. Yep, Daddy's videoing, and that's fine. So she's gonna be checking every single day, and as the plant grows, as the seedling grows, she'll come and check, and she's excited about it. So this is amazing gift right now. It's coming out to Christmas time, and if you want to know what to give to folks or your friends or family, this is a perfect example what to give. And this, as a gift, it's not expensive. And then I'm giving you guys an exclusive discount code from this company. I appreciate that a lot from them, that I'm gonna leave in the description box. No, Mama, I'm gonna leave in the description box below, and you could save a lot of money. But it's limited time offer throughout November right now, so you guys have to, unfortunately, I'm like a salesman, but you have to hurry up and place the order if you want to get that discount code. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I will keep doing update video and update shorts. And when you deal with the little toddlers around here, you know. So we're gonna hopefully another 4 or 5 days we should see some seedlings, and then the lights I'm gonna set the timer on. I might do 10 hours a day maybe, or 8 hours a day actually from now, and this wheel comes off automatically. And the pump, there's a button right there, so you could always press the pump button so it doesn't run, you know, all day long if you don't want to. And you could put this anywhere. You could put it on your computer desk, you could put it on a chair, you could put it on your countertop, anywhere you want, even your bedroom. You know, by growing your own stuff, it tastes better, and you grow it, and it's more excited, and you can't go wrong as a family to doing it together. It's amazing. And this company is pretty good. They have a lot more stuff. Check in the link in the description. I'll leave it.